Hello and welcome back. We're still looking at this here PC. Okay. You might say, woo, how did he get the color to change? Well, that's got to be easy. Maybe it's in the program. Maybe it's in... Okay, no, it's not. It's not that difficult, not that complicated, so long as you know the real secret. Most of them said, oh, this button right here. Normally, it's got a symbol of this button on this button. But that's not the case. After a lot of digging, it's FN button. Combined with different buttons. Insert. If you hold that down and you hit this one, you change the color. Purple. Off blue. Or water. White. Red. Green. Or you can hit scroll right here. This one. Scroll lock. Turn them off. Turn rainbow on. Turn it off. Make it pulsate. Pulsate more. And go back to solid colors. You gotta get this thing off. There we go. And I'm gonna leave it on green. Now, to the rest of the problem. And that works on most keyboards. FN plus either the insert scroll or one of those buttons up there. As you can see, I have already installed this one. These two. I could not install these two. The hole, that little niche was off. But that doesn't mean they're not good for something. They're just not good for this. So I got 2 16s and then the 8. Which, as you can see, equals 24 gigs. Usable to 23.9 gigs. I think that little extra is the programming software or something. I'm not exactly sure. But that's what you got there. And then if you go up here to updates, you can see I am fully updated. No more updates. For now. Nice clean screen. Something you don't get with most. Doesn't really have that much gunk in it. This system does have Office Max, notes, words, devices, a whole lot of things that I'm not going to use, but others might use. Here's some of it. Oh, I thought I uninstalled that. Some of it is not uninstalling. Some of it is just too, I think, ingrained into it. And some of the things doesn't seem to stay where I want them to yet. Probably because it's got to learn the system. Some of these I don't even use on the majority though. I do. Oh, Microsoft To Do. I don't want to see that up there. Uninstall. This is supposed to be a video program. I don't really need TikTok. Uninstall. I don't need Instagram. Uninstall. I like to go to them my way, not its way. Spotify is a music thing. I'm not listening to music on this. What's the difference between pictures and photos? I don't know. If you know, put it down in the comment section down below and let me know. Other than that, that is the end for this episode of Willis Talk. I'm going to put this computer back together again. And let's see what we can do then with it. Until next episode, stay tuned and stay frosty. I got to upload all the games and everything else in this thing before we can start gaming with it, though.